existence of Jesus. I do not pedestalize this man like he is dead Donald Trump, though. Thank you. If you start shouting that white people need to lose their jobs and start deracing people, I'm just going to unfollow black people. I'm so sorry. You all think you're special. You're absolutely not. Your trauma is that you cannot unsee light skin, white skin, and you just say it. You just say it, actually. I'm not really sure how to tell you. You degrade a bunch of mixed race children, but you do. You degrade a bunch of victims of racism. You do. And you really need to watch where you step as an EMDR therapist. You really need to watch where you step as Indigenous authors thinking you're the first published. Oh my god. Also, just so you know, you look like you speak in the Naha. And I'm actually not sure how to tell you that, like, there are a lot of authors who will write similarly to you. And obviously differently. I think I'm not sure if you understand Native Hawaiian is, although a specific ethnicity, you're Polynesian, okay? So if a Polynesian author IDs as an adult fantasy writer, you have erased the potential for that individual to be private about their tribal affiliation, and you have insinuated that you are more important. I will move this conversation into the rate of hookers on Davie in a minute for Alma Bitches who think she can speak to me. Thank you.
I look back to tell a story that I haven't yet. I have the most intelligent woman that I ever met. She looked like Jackie on asses, top of her classes. I'm doing my best, just passing by. I'm so funny in my body, I can barely walk. I'm so full of them funny feelings that I could barely talk. And here comes Jackie on asses. Don't need to ask it. Have you ever seen a woman so fine? She said, come on out, just a couple hours. We gonna have a real good time. And I tell her, where you going, where you going, where you coming home? Somebody in the front seat calls out everyone. We don't waste our time. Gotta hit the road and hit the road, hit the road. There they go, and I was on my own. I ain't never spoke my mind up in a crowded place. I ain't got no cool demeanor and smooth talking ways, cause I ain't like Jackie Onassis. Girls in sunglasses look at me up like I'm part of the sun. With the altercation that happened around the temple. Some holy dreaded spectator had something I'm trying to say. It comes back to me in the flashes. I get risky, there's a swing in this, and I'm on earth. Shame where she found me, eyes in pieces, crying hard into my eyes. She tell me, Mama, you love it when you take the stand. And I'm telling her, no one's ever been so kind to me, and I'll thank you for that. Said, hey, I'm going, hey, I go, hey, I go. Took her hair out the phone, laid that ribbon in my hand. Here we go, look at that lady. She carries herself right, she's singing, no, she's the first lady. So hold me through the night, I'm singing, oh, play it, play it, play it.
If you think any show on Davie has been I sing well to some of you? No, that's called dip accent. She's the first lady. And I'm singing, oh, I, look at that lady, little Miss Lady. She's the first lady. Look at that lady. She's the first lady. Walking through the night and I'm singing look at that lady. She carries herself right and I'm singing she's the first lady. If you think that that woman in Hookers on Davie is a lesbian, I'm telling you she's a straight bisexual. What are you implying about those relationships?